Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dinah. Today I am super excited because I am going to be doing my first try on. Really my first try on in a few years, so I'm a little bit nervous to like dive head first up in it, but I am super excited about this video because this try on haul is in collaboration with Prettylittlething. I have been shopping with Prettylittlething for quite a few years now, but I've never actually ordered this much from them, so I'm really excited to give these a try. Now, there are a few that I did already open up and try because I was just like, listen, like, that is looking a little bit too small or looking a little bit too like weird, and I was like, I'm not trying to get on camera with like tits and like ass hanging half out, right? I will go ahead and leave everything down below along with their sizes as well, so that you guys can go ahead and check out Prettylittlething if you haven't already. If you have not already subscribed to my channel or followed me on Instagram, you need to, because on Instagram, that's where I am when I'm not on here. Or when I'm not being a mom, you know what I mean? Like when I'm not momming it, you know, my son, like he out and about. If any of you ladies have not shopped Prettylittlething, I'm gonna go ahead and put their website right here so that you can kind of get that idea of what kind of clothing that they have and their aesthetic and things like that, because I am such an aesthetic kind of girl. If I see a website that is very aesthetically pleasing, I will be more drawn to purchasing from them. And talk about each of the products to you guys, what I like about them, what I didn't like about them, and things like that. And also I'm gonna put here me trying on the clothing for you. Let me know if you guys actually prefer me talking about them with them on, or if you like when I do them this way. The first item that I'm going to be talking about is this cropped, I think they call it Athleisure. I am not a person who's all up in the gym, but honestly I love Athleisure. Like, it is so nice to wear, it's so comfortable, so breathable, and I have been wanting a specific crop top kind of jacket that goes up all the way like this. I love like the red and the white striping right here. You know, I like to be like girly and just hide my tattoos a little bit. Came with a pair of cropped legging, but there's another word for this as well. You guys see how like bad I am with like clothing and stuff like that. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but the pants I wasn't so crazy about, only because they looked kind of funny on me. I think it's because, you know, I got a mommy butt, so like if you got a really nice round peach, then these leggings are gonna look perfect on you. Me, I was like, listen, like girl, if you want to wear like anything athleisure, you need to look the part, right? But I got these in a size US 6. I know that the sizes are going to help you guys a lot when you're deciding on what to purchase from Prettylittlething. So the next thing that I chose was a dress. Now, I am not a big fan of red dresses. Like, me personally, I don't know, I just don't feel like red like compliments me. Not like it used to, whereas like when my hair was like black, you know, I liked the red, but this time around I wanted to try something different. I was like, yeah, your comfort zone a little bit. So I went ahead and chose this dress. This is how it looks on the model. It looks so cute, but on me, it did not really emphasize like my shape or anything like that. This dress was really cute on the model, but on me it wasn't really flattering. It kind of gave me like that straight body shape, like no wine glass curve or anything like that. But I do think this would look really flattering on someone more petite, not so much curvy, because it won't really like emphasize like the curves, mama. So this was a maybe I'll work with it. This one, I forgot what it's called. I got in a size US 6, and it's a gray plunge long sleeve bodysuit. It looks like this. Now I thought it was so cute, like it is so cute, but since I don't have like any titties, like this, like with a bra, was like literally going all the way down and showing like my bra. So on the model, I'll show right here, she has like nice boobies, you know, so I was like, damn, like your girl gotta go get her titties done just to look good in this, but I'll make it work, you know what I mean? Like we gotta make it work, you know? So this next piece I love, like all that shit I was talking about red, honestly, I love this one. This one's a turtleneck crop top sweater and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I really did, I wish that I would have opted for like a bigger size, or at least like a bigger option, at least like a medium, because I did get this one in a small, only because I do like it to be a little bit more rolled up and more like slouchy, not as like tight. I still love it nonetheless. This was by far one of the favorite pieces that was sent to me. I am just in love with this dress. Now I have a little bit of a chunkier, like thicker arm, and I noticed that a lot of times whenever I wear spaghetti strap like dresses or just tank tops, they tend to make my arms look a little bit more thick, and I'm not gonna lie and say that's not what they are, because bitch, that's what they are, they're just thick. But I love straps like this because they tend to make your arms look a little bit more flattering and not so big. So if you are one of my ladies that have like a little bit more thickness to their arms, I definitely recommend you choose your dresses and make sure that your dresses have a thin strap just like this one, because it'll make your chest like, or your décolleté area look. This one was the brown strappy plunge, and I got it in a size 6. I'll show you what it looks like on the model, and then I'll show you what it looks like on me. I am obsessed. It also has a slit at the leg, just on one side, and I absolutely love it. Like I can't wait to wear this out. I'm not the kind of girl who really loves like dresses that go all the way down to the ankle, but I saw this one, I loved the color and I loved the way it looked on the model, because let's be honest, like these models are gorgeous, but I was just like, I need to try that on.
Okay, y'all, so I just want to say I am so sorry about this dirty ass room. Y'all know that I am in the process of moving within the next few months. We needed a new bed frame. Y'all don't even want to know the whole story about this damn bed frame. So I'm sorry if y'all looking at this damn video, you're just like, damn, that's a dirty hoe. No, I'm so sorry. Like looking at this, I'm just like, okay, let's freeze real quick. I just had to validate myself so that y'all ain't, you know, looking at me sideways like, girl, like you couldn't fix that shit up. I am sorry. You know, it's hard out here being a mom. I just wanted to stop the video to just say that. Okay, continue.
So I really decided to get out of my comfort zone when choosing what I wanted from Prettylittlething. I really love to just get out of my comfort zone because I see so many like fashion icons on Instagram, and I'm just like, oh, like I want to be able to style and get better with the styling. So I went ahead and I chose this snake print oversized shirt because I love oversized shirts like this, with a pair of like mom jeans or some vintage high-waisted pants would look really, really bomb. I got this one in a size 6 for some reason, or it says a size 6 on the tag, but it's actually a US size 2, and that would be perfect for me. I loved the way that it looked on the model. This model seems to be very, very petite from what I was seeing. She looks very, very naturally petite, and it looked so good on her. So I was just like, I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but we'll kind of, you know, put it in the pants a little bit, let it hang out a little bit, you know, it'll be cute. So this next dress is definitely like not my comfort zone whatsoever. It is completely different from like my style, what I usually like to wear, but I figure because I am, you know, planning my wedding and things like that, I've been wanting to wear a lot more white lately, and on the model this dress looked so beautiful. Like You guys can't really see it, but I'll have to lift it up a little bit. But the sleeves, I didn't really pay attention to on the model because like I said, the model looks amazing in it, so it just drew me to this one. And then the bottom was just kind of like, this may be a little bit different, but I haven't tried it on with actually like having makeup and having my hair done and things like that. Well, I love white, so even though that sounds so silly, but I don't know if you guys like to plan, like whenever you go out, you're like, what do I want to wear today? Because I want to look good. When you look good, you feel good, right? This next dress is definitely a favorite, definitely different, definitely something that I wouldn't really think to wear. But again, I loved it on the model, so I was like, listen, I'm gonna give it a try. The quality is amazing. I literally, it's just like the quality of these dresses so far have just been mwah, like of everything that I've received. So this is it right here. Now the reason why you guys are probably wondering what this little garment thing is for. If you take this off, then you cannot return or exchange anything. And I cannot wait to wear this. It was a little bit difficult for me to put on, but and it was like a little bit see-through, but not too much if you wear the right underwear, and it's obviously not pressing up against your butt because it wasn't pressing up against mine. And just the sleeves, it's just like my favorite part. These I had actually tried on, and the reason why I tried them on was because I was not sure if they were going to fit me or not, and I was just kind of like, let me give it a go, because I really thought it was going to be showing like my hoo-ha, everything. So I went ahead and opted for some mom jeans. Now these would be the first pair of mom jeans that I have ever gotten. I did get them in a size 6 or so I thought, and they came in a size 10, so that was the only thing that's disappointing. They did fit me like a size 10. I mean, I could work with them. They were a little bit runched right here. I'll show you guys right here. But they were a little bit runched right here, and they just looked funny. But I was just like, you know what? I could work with these. It's okay. They're more like, you know, chill, hang out, and relax kind of thing. I love oversized sweaters. I always have. But I noticed that each one that I've ever gotten was either too tight or they just did not go to where I would want them to go. This one, like the color is perfect. I love this like sage green. I love sage green. I did get it in a size 6 because I was thinking, since I'm a little bit short, I don't want to get something that's too small and then it be a little bit too small for me. I didn't know how this was gonna look. I know the model had gotten it, I think she was wearing like a size 2, so I was just like, okay, well, that might be a little bit too small for me. So I wanted it to still be comfortable and be able to be like versatile to where I could wear it with different jackets and things like that, but I'm still comfortable in it and still breathable. Me and Anthony do actually have plans of going to Colorado next month, sometime next month, so I was also thinking about that and what I can wear for that, since I do live in Florida and it's pretty much impossible to find anything to wear like during the winter or the fall months. So this next shirt is a basic. I did get it in a US size 2. I'm usually not one to go for necklines that go all the way up to my neck, only because I do have a really round face and they tend to make my face look a little bit more like prominent, and I usually don't like that. But I loved this shirt. I loved the like I think they're called like rudged or like rigid like sides here. It's on both sides. It's just a basic tee all around because I'm a mama and I don't like to spend too much time trying to figure out what to wear throughout the day. I just like to keep it going, you know? This next piece was a little bit weird for me, only because I think because I did get it in a size bigger. I mean, I chose it in a size 4, but it's kind of like this dress shirt, but it's a dress. I loved the plunge on the model. It looks so pretty. Like, let me show you. But for some reason, the 2 sides right here, like, I don't know if they're supposed to be like pockets. That might be what they're supposed to be, like pockets or something, but they come out and it makes me look a little bit like peary on the bottom. I don't know, like my body is like very like pear shaped. That's what it looks like. So I'm just kind of like, I don't know, this might be a little bit too big for me, but I'll work with it, you know, make it work. We're getting to the last two items here, I promise, guys. So I went ahead and got an oversized denim shirt, and it's in the color stone. I bought it in a size 6. I love dress shirts. Looking at it, I wish I would have gotten it in the brown color. They actually had it in like a chocolate brown. I wish I would have picked that one out instead, only because I looked at this one and I was just like, it really blends in like with my hair now. I'm always thinking that I still have black hair, guys. Like I'm still not, like I'm still trying to like process the fact that I have blonde hair now. I loved this with like a pair of like Timbs or just some cute sneakers and like a nice bag with some nice sunnies like that. Even though it's hot as balls in Florida, I can still work with this because I can pull it up, you know, make it look good. Okay, so the last thing that I had chose is by far my favorite, and I cannot wait to wear it. Honestly, I can't wait to wear it out because I've been wanting one of these jackets for so long, and it's cropped. Like, look how cute. I've been wanting one for so long, but they've been like sold out like in a lot of different boutiques that I shop at, and it's been upsetting me because it's just like, I was like, I need one, you know, for like those cold, like those once in a blue moon, like cold nights that we have in Florida, but also for my trip to Colorado next month. Even though, like, you know, a hoe never gets cold.
A hoe never gets cold.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a hoe. And I look so bad in it. Can I just say that? Like, I don't know, like, I'm sorry if that offends anybody, if anyone's like, oh my god, bitch, like, you're so into yourself. It's not that. I get like really excited for things like this because I'm just like, damn, I'm about to look so bougie in that. Like, you know, I love looking bougie. And it's just so heavy, it's so thick, the material is just perfect, it's everything that I wanted, and I got it in a size 2. All in all, I've always loved Prettylittlething, honestly. Like, I've always really shopped at Fashion Nova, but because like everything that I've gotten from Prettylittlething, besides the sizes, is a little bit tricky, I've always gotten good quality. So I'm just super excited. Again, thank you so much to Prettylittlething for working with me on this collaboration. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this try-on haul. Please let me know down in the comments what else that you would like to see. Again, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take